Delta 1997 with you on the RNAV 07.
1997 Sangster Tower, continue approach on 07. On time 50, vacate and Alpha, say gate number.
The runway on Alpha, gate number 6.
Alpha, gate 6, monitor ground 1217.
Alpha to gate 6, monitor 121.7, American 855.
United 1462, wind 090 at 17, clear to land on 07.
We have 1462, thank you.
Tower, good afternoon, medevac 29 Alpha Whiskey with you, holding short runway 07.
289 Alpha Whiskey, Sangster Tower, Roger, hold short on 07.
Short runway 7, Alpha Whiskey.
On time 52, vacate on Alpha, say gate number.
1462.
Continue Alpha, gate 5, monitor ground 1217.
Alpha, gate 5, then ground you 1462, thank you.
Delta 1997, wind 070 at 17, clear to land on 07.
Clear to lane, runway 7, Delta 1997.
Alpha Whiskey, line up on wait on 07.
It's 9 Alpha Whiskey, runway 7.
On time 54, vacate Alpha, say gate number.
Vacate Alpha, we're going to Golf 18, Delta 1997.
Clear, Alpha Echo, gate 1818, monitor ground 1217.
Let's go to gate 18 and monitor ground up 1997.
Alpha Whiskey, wind 08013, clear for takeoff on 07.
Takeoff, runway 7, 9 Alpha Whiskey.
125, Sangster Tower, continue approach on 07, report, done it. Contact radar 120.8.
9 Alpha Whiskey.
Tower, Frontier Flight 125, approaching Tony.
Yeah, 125, wind 070 at 19, clear to land on 07.
Runway 7, Frontier Flight 125.
That 125 on time 11, vacate on Alpha, say gate number.
It's going to be Bravo and then Alpha to the for Frontier Flight 125.
And give that 125, what's the gate number? 125, continue Alpha, gate 4, monitor ground 1217.
Right, Alpha to gate 4 and monitor ground 121.7, Frontier Flight 125.
Thanks, Tower, use Wednesday 2914 with URMP 07.
14, Sangster Tower, clear to land on 07, wind 090 at 23.
Land, runway 07 was 291. 46, RMP runway 07.
continue approach runway 7 report, passing done it.
Okay, continue approach and report done it, Kappa 146.
On time 19 vacate on Alpha, so gate number.
We vacate on Alpha, go to gate 10, 10.
Continue Alpha, Echo, gate 1010, monitor ground 1217.
Continue Alpha to gate 10 and monitor ground 217, with it 2914. Kappa 146.
Kappa 146, wind 07023, clear to land runway 7.
023, clear to land, Kappa 146. Blue 1126, ready for departure runway 7.
Blue 1126, Sangster Tower, hold short runway 7.
7 JetBlue 1126.
Blue 1126, line up and wait runway 7.
Line up and wait runway 7, JetBlue 1126.
On time 2 vacate Alpha, continue Alpha, Echo gate 1212, monitor ground 1217.
Okay, packet via Alpha, continue Alpha, Echo to gate 12 and monitor 1217, Kappa 146.
Wind 06018, clear for takeoff runway 7.
Runway 7, JetBlue 1126.
Airborne 25, contact radar 120.8.
Okay, thank you, JetBlue 1126.
Thanks, Tower Rouge 1805, holding short runway 07 at Alpha, we're just needing another minute for the back end.
05, roger, advise when ready.
1805 is fully ready.
Runway 05, wind 06018, clear for takeoff, runway 7.
Runway 7, 1805.
139, contact radar 120.8.
20.8 Rouge, 1805, good day. Tower, good afternoon. JetBlue 780 is ready for departure 07.
Blue 780, Sangster International line up on weight runway 7.
Line up on weight 07, JetBlue 780.
Wind 08.18, clear to take off on 7.
Takeoff 07, JetBlue 780.
Airborne 46, contact radar 120.8.
Departure, good day, JetBlue 780.
3228, turning Hussein.
Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 7.
Runway 7, American 3228.
And we're holding short runway 7, ready for takeoff.
39 Sangster Tower, wind 07020, clear for takeoff runway 7.
Takeoff, runway 7, American 439.
Frontier 228, wind 07020, clear to land runway 7.
For land runway 7, American 3228.
39 Airborne 58, contact radar 120.8.
Contact 120.8, American 439.
Sangster Tower, line up on weight runway 7.
Southwest 273, line up and wait, runway 7. Tower Delta 1801, turning final on the RMP, runway 7.
1801, Sangster Tower, continue approach 107.
So 1801, continue approach runway 7.
322 on time on the O, 1800, vacate Alpha, contact ground 1217.
Alpha 121.7, American 3228.
Wind 07020, turbo takeoff on S7.
273.
Delta 1801, wind 0718, clear to land 187.
1801, clear to land, runway 7 at Sangster.
273 Airborne 03, contact with 120.8.
270, so on.
On time 05, vacate on Alpha, contact ground 1217.
Delta 1801, vacate on Alpha 1217.
Hold short of runway 7 at Alpha.
Sangster, line up and wait, runway 7.
Line up and wait, runway 7, American 863.
Niner, clear for takeoff, runway 7.
Takeoff runway 7, American 863.
Charge up to 279. Alright, have RP7. Good afternoon.
So now Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 7.
Yeah, jump at 279.
Can 863, Airborne 09, contact radar 120.8.
Departure American 963, good day.
The 1628, we're ready for takeoff, runway 7.
68 Sangster Tower, hold short, runway 7.
Runway 7, you're 1628.
Wind is 09 jet 15, clear to land on 7.
7, JetBlue 279.
Line up on wait, runway 7.
Line up on wait, runway 7, you're 1628.
On time 14, vacate on Alpha, contact ground 117.
217, JetBlue 279.
Tower American 875 on the RNP 07.
75 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 7.
You approach runway 7, American 875.
1628, wind is 07015, clear for takeoff on 7.
1628, clear for takeoff, runway 7.
567 Sangster Tower, confirm full ready.
Ready for departure, WestJet 2567.
That's a 2567, line up on wait, runway 7.
7, WestJet 2567.
So 1628 airborne 16, contact radar 120.8.
For decimal 8, United 1628, good day, sir.
Tower left on 1957 is taxi via Echo, or Alpha, excuse me, and then we are holding short of runway 7.
The 1957 Sangster Radar, hold short runway 7.
Hold short 7, Delta 1957.
567, wind 06 clear for takeoff on 7.
Runway 07, WestJet 2567.
Wind is 08 jet 16, clear to land on 7.
And runway 7, American 875.
Airborne 18, contact radar 120.8.
2567.
Line up on weight, runway 7.
Line up for weight, runway 7, Delta 1957.
On time 19, vacate on Alpha, contact ground 1217.
Vacate on Alpha 1217, American 875.
Wind 070 at 19, clear for takeoff, runway 7.
57, take off runway 7, Delta 1957.
Good afternoon, American 3154 descending on the RNAV, runway 7.
154, Sangster, continue approach runway 7, report done it.
Approach, report done at American 3154.
Airborne 21, contact radar 120.8.
Radar, Delta 1957, good day.
3154, done it, inbound.
3154, wind 08018, clear to land runway 7.
Runway 7, American 3154.
on time 25, vacate on Alpha, contact ground 1217.
Get on Alpha and over to ground on 121.7 American 3154.
28 ready for departure.
128, turn for 39, phone wait, runway 7.
Runway 7.
Delta 192, wind 07015, clear for takeoff, runway 7.
Delta 128.
Airborne 32, radar 120.8.
28, yep.